Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Coins and Stamps to Watch. Now we have another unboxing here. It's something interesting again, as usual. And we'll see what they are. Right, here we go. So it's another exciting collectible. Oh, here we go. Here we go. So these ones are banknotes. So, and where is the opening? Can't find the opening. Oh, okay, it is sealed. So here we are. Let's get it out of here. Okay, one more to go in here. Okay, so we have a three banknote here, one old one. So this one first, 200. It is from, where is it? Although we don't understand what it's saying, but this is from North Korea. I forgot the date. Sorry, I have to have a look at it. But yeah, I think it's a newer one. Oh, here is it 2008. Okay, that's 2008. It's 201 from North Korea. I bought it because it is a bit rare. I mean, rare to me maybe because it's North Korea. I don't know how many coins or banknotes or collectibles went outside North Korea. So at least yeah, this is one of them. One of the banknotes that came from North Korea. So I have one. It's nice. Not much stuff go out there. So I have one from North Korea. This is the only one I have. I don't even have a coin from North Korea. Hopefully in the future. And now this one as well. This one is from Cuba. You see, it's 3 pesos or 3 peso. So not much coins or banknotes go outside there. Although I must say I have a few coins, and I think I also have one of these banknote. And yes, it's the year 2004. See, 2004, 3 pesos from Cuba. It's uncirculated. It's never been used. See, we can see here a portrait of Che Guevara. See, Che, precursor el trabajo voluntario. It's like volunteering for a job. What is this? I think it's sugarcane field, and it is Che Guevara. Che Guevara. This is his portrait, Ernesto Guevara or Che Guevara. He's very well known. He's a revolutionary. Yeah, he's a revolutionary person. So yeah, he's uh, one of those who fought the Cuban government uh, with Fidel Castro. And I think he's not really from Cuba. I think he's from Chile or somewhere in the Southern American country. But he is a legend. I see the what do you call that? The saying "Hasta libertad siempre." It's like for freedom something. He is a famous one. So Che Guevara banknote from Cuba, 3 peso. And this one, it's an old banknote as well. And this one is from Russia, or the Russian Empire back then. This is a very big one, see? It's a very big banknote. And it is from 1909, and its value is 10 kopeck. It's from the era of Tsar Nicholas the second, the one who the communists deposed and killed. Tsar Nicholas the second of Russia. It's a very nice old one. It's in better days. It's it's a little bit worn, yes, but it's still complete. 10 kopeck. See, it's a very big one. 1909. So these are the ones that I have today. It's from Russia, 1909. From Cuba, 2004, and from North Korea, 2008. Wow. All right. Thank you very much, and please do like and subscribe my channel. If you may, please click on the notification bell as well for you to be notified when I upload videos. And of course, coins and stamps to watch. So uh, I'll be uploading videos of coins and stamps, and well, these ones are banknotes as well. I have a few banknotes to share, and some more few collectibles that I have. Thank you very much. I hope you all have a good day.